come along with me to do a neon rainbow eye. We're going to be doing a unicorn look today. Going to go in with a neon yellow pigment and just add that to the inner corner and take it up into the inner crease. We're going to try to leave this blank because I'm not sure exactly if I'm going to put color there or do a cut crease. We're going to flow into that next color, which is going to be a neon green. Then we're going to take that blue right there. Don't worry, we'll blend it better here in a minute. We're just doing color placement right now. Go ahead and start lightly blending those two together. From blue, we're going to go into a purple. Again, lightly dragging the blue and the purple together here to blend. The last color we're going to add is a little pink here at the end. Now, we're going to take a flesh colored powder, so whatever your skin tone is, and tap out the very tops of the edges to make it look a little bit blended up there. We don't want to run it together or it'll get muddy. So that's the tapped out side. This one's not. You can see the difference already. You can just take your brush and go back in and tap over colors that you feel like needed a little bit more vibrancy after that blending. That's kind of what I've done. Now I'm going to clean up the crease with a Q-tip and micellar water. I will go ahead and put this in, but I won't speak through it because I can't. I'm going to go in with a white eye base and a flat brush like this and lightly start cutting my crease. So next, you're going to want to take and cover that white eye base with a white eyeshadow to make it more pigmented. And don't worry, we're going to put like some glitter or something in there and some liner. But are you getting a unicorny vibe yet? I hope. I kind of am. It's a little sobby, but we'll clean it up. Now I'm just adding glitter glue because we're going to be adding this glitter. It's like white, but with a purple shift. So this next part, I just went in and lined that and did a wing liner. I'm going to do it to the other side, and it gives it just a little definition. I give you a Dragacoin. Now I'm going to finish my eyes. I'm going to start with that yellow and just take it under that lash. Then the green, the blue, and you get what we're doing. We're just going to do all the colors. You're going to make a triangle shape and connect all that. Now go whoop, black liner on the inner corner. I'm going to take Lizette's Beauty World Diamond Multichrome Highlighter in Lula, which is like a purpley shift. And of course, unicorns have purple lips. Added some lashes that you could literally fly away with. Alright, so here is the finished Dragacorn look. Thanks for watching and following along, and tell me what you want to see next.